everyone, welcome to a new video where today we are going to be unboxing and testing out the newest addition to the MacBook family. In front of me, we have the 2018 MacBook Air. I've been wanting to open this, but I'm like, oh, I have to film it, I have to put makeup on, I gotta brush my hair, kinda. You didn't see anything. We're gonna open it and we're gonna test this baby out. Are you ready? Because I am definitely ready. That's nice. I didn't do a good job. I don't have a trash can there. It's exciting. Space Gray. If you guys know me, you know I'm Team Space Gray. If you don't know me, I'm Team Space Gray. You can go there. I will hold on to you firmly so that you do not fall out. Something I have learned from iPhone, was it the iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 8 Plus? Just tumbled forward. Ooh, MacBook Air. Now, USB-C. I'm a professional, which is good because I have the MacBook Pro, same charger. I don't want to carry around a million chargers. Half the time, I don't even carry around one charger because I forget it. MacBook Air charger, MacBook Pro charger. I would much rather carry this around than this all the time, but all good. Okay, I'm gonna put this back. My apartment is very messy. All right, let's continue. You're not here to talk about my apartment. Let's get to the good stuff. The stickers. Wait, have these always been space gray if I get something space gray? I'm gonna tell you guys something. I have never once used these stickers. I always save them, but I don't know what I'm saving them for. Oh man, this is like carrying around a cloud. No pun intended. Maybe some pun? Now it comes in space gray, silver, and the gold. Now Justine has the gold, so I can give you guys a comparison once I see her. You can't see anything. This is so clean, I can't possibly touch you. I also have the new iPhone XS Max, space gray. Got the space black on the watch.
Oh! It contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
So this is the 13-inch MacBook Air with the Retina display. It's very, very exciting that these are now available with the Retina display because it really does make a huge difference. Everything is just so clear and crisp, especially if you do a lot of like reading and emails and stuff like that. The text is so much more crisp. I've been using it on my MacBook Pro. It also comes with the Touch ID sensor, which you can use for logging in, you can use for Apple Pay. MacBook Air now comes with the new and improved keyboard, which I have actually been enjoying quite a bit on my MacBook Pro. It's quiet, it has a great feel to it. It's just overall a better design, and I've really been enjoying that. This is also the first Mac made with 100% recycled aluminum, which is incredible. So I'm now setting up my Mac. I'm gonna download Final Cut, Lightroom, and the basics that I do every day on my MacBook Pro. I'm gonna test them out to see how the new MacBook Air can handle a day in the life of Jenna on her computer. Oh, you're so little. It's so small. So we are back and we are ready to test it out a little bit more. We went on a brunch boat cruise earlier and I had it with me in my backpack. I'm gonna be honest with you. I was like, I can bring a real backpack. I can bring one that's actually made for a computer. And then I was like, you know what, Jenna? Is this really what you would do if this was your everyday situation? And I was like, no, I'm gonna throw this in my actual purse. In my purse, I had a mirrorless camera, a massive Mophie, and the MacBook Air. Anyways, I should have probably had something else. We can talk about that. I also have the leather sleeve, so we need to open that. I'm not sure how I forgot to open this. Ooh, it's blue. I love the blue color. I don't know how to make that stop. I don't know where that dinging is even coming from. I should have had this with me earlier today, huh? Oh man, what a nice fit and feel. Okay, so today I filmed a quick little iPhone vlog on the iPhone XS. Make sure you check the settings because it automatically does not go to 4K. So So everything I filmed today was 1080p. But that's okay, we could just pretend we're living in 2015 but with 2018 tech. I wanna go ahead and show you guys how the MacBook Air can handle my day-to-day. So normally I would be editing my video. How do I make that noise stop? Where are you even coming from? So what we've got here, this configuration, it is the MacBook Air Retina 13-inch, 1.6 gigahertz Intel Core i5. We've got the 8 gig RAM with the 256 storage. So let's see what we did today, shall we? Dark mode, Mojave, I am into it. Let's open up our new project. We will call this Boat Brunch. I went ahead and airdropped myself the files from the iPhone XS. This is usually how I edit. Justine gets so mad at me for my editing etiquette. I'll just do this, because normally I film them all in like the correct order. Now, sometimes my editing can be way more intense, but this is just a very simple vlog. Seems to be copying over pretty well. Oh, look at this. It's doing a really good job. Actually, I feel like what I'll just edit is, maybe I'll just do a quick, very quick edit of my time lapses. It's nice editing on this. Very nice. If you guys have seen any of my stuff, probably Instagram, you know your girl's all about that saturation. Boost those blues, baby. All right, I'll probably speed this up. That's the real test, me speeding it up because it's trying to process everything. I will now get a nice tune to go along with our time lapse. A lot of you guys ask me where I get my music from, and it's Epidemic Sound. There's a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. I've been using it for probably over 3 or 4 years now. Usually I find the song either, if it's like drone stuff or something I want the music to go along to, I'll find that first. But if it's just kind of like B-roll and like whatever, I'll find it at the end. Now we can test out the sound. The new MacBook Air has enhanced speakers with stereo sound, so let's test it out. And it's royalty-free music. We can jam out. We're not really jamming. See, it sounds good. This is what I do alone at home. I'm not kidding. We found our song. I just had a lot of water before that, all this moving and dancing. I will say, when I'm dancing around with my MacBook Pro, it's a lot heavier than the Mac Air. I keep stepping on something. Go back to our timeline. It's a banger. Now usually I use compressor, but I haven't downloaded it yet on here, so we will share it at Apple devices 4K. Hey Siri, open up Photoshop. All right, she's opening up Photoshop. I'm not sure why I don't use this on my MacBook, but I'm like super into this on my Air. The only reason I have the maxed out MacBook Pro is because I wanted the 4 terabytes, I wanted the faster processor, I wanted all of those things, but for like a day-to-day computer, doing my email, doing my tasks, even just doing thumbnails, traveling, this is a real gem. Ooh, I don't have my presets on here. What's the custom thumbnail for a YouTube video? What's that size? I think I would know. 1280, 720. So then what would my thumbnail be? Usually I get my thumbnails by taking a screenshot. I will do Shift Command 4 and screenshot. I will drag that in there. I will adjust the height. Let's watch our video. Sounds so good. Shimmering splendid. Wow. Yo, what's up? Look at the babies. They look really good. They look very good. So is this the 128?
The specs in these are pretty much the same, although this model has a smaller solid state drive, but it is
Look how
really
cool
nice.
they look. Isn't it lovely? The Touch ID
is great.
Dark mode, I know. I've been using it for a couple days now and it's been really great. The trackpad is bigger.
It has Force Touch.
I know. I use that all the time. Today we went on a boat and we both brought our computers. I brought mine because I like to take the pictures off of your camera to use in like Lightroom or Photoshop and fix my little pictures.
Did you do that already?
Nope.
Ooh.
Wow, we look cool.
We do look cool.
Trying to make sure the glare is gone. You're glared. I'm glared. We're all glared.
Looks cool.
Wow, we have friends. Wow, it looks so good.
I know, this is awesome.
No way. No way.
No way, yes way.
What's your color's your watch? No way! We are opposites.
This is really funny. We actually are.
This is cool. But other than that, I'm very impressed. I was like, this is basically like using my little MacBook Pro, but like small.
Squished.
So thank you, Justine. I hope you had a good time. What's your favorite feature?
Oh my goodness, I have the microphone now. I think my favorite feature is the new Retina display because that's such a huge upgrade from the previous MacBook Airs. And man, the gold looks
really good.
Beautiful.
Do you know what I was doing?
What are you doing?
Siri, open up Final Cut. She listened. She opened up my Final Cut. Have you ever done that?
Actually, I haven't.
Me either. Okay, well, I'm gonna work on my picture for today. So
Okay.
you don't need to be here if you don't want to.
Okay, well, I guess me and my gold
You can go now.
delights will leave.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so now we're going to take a picture into Lightroom. Sometimes I use Lightroom. It has a lot of cool presets if I want to go for the artsy effect. Sometimes I use it on my phone. Most of the time, I just use my iPhone to edit my pictures. I use whatever the built-in features are in the photos, and it's actually really incredible. We're gonna take a peek from the pictures that were taken today. A lot of the times, I like to hit the auto button and see how that works out. It's pretty good. It brightens it up a little bit. I love to up the exposure to make it real nice and bright. Usually take the highlights down, lift the shadows a little bit. I don't love this picture. Like realistically, this is something I wouldn't post because I don't really like it. I don't know why. But we'll go to some of the presets, see if there's any cool presets that we can use. Here we have the color one, natural, bright, high contrast. Oh, high contrast and detail looks kind of spooky. The matte look, I love the matte look. Like that's actually kind of a cool picture. Oh, the curve, for any curves? Flat, oh, I like the flat curve. Oh, now we're talking. I love that, I'm doing that. No one can stop me. White balance? No, I'll leave it as shot, it's pretty good. Noise reduction. Oh, it really just gave my face a little smoothing. We'll leave you on. But I kind of like that picture, the before, the after. It's like the high contrast, a little bit of matte. Yeah, I am into that. I would save that, I would then airdrop it to my phone, and that baby would go on the internet. So that's a quick little rundown of the basics that I do on the computer on a day-to-day basis. And the MacBook Air was able to handle it very well. So I am very, very, very impressed. And I will say, I love that it matches my phone. This is my watch, my phone, and it matches my MacBook Pro. So welcome to the family, MacBook Air. I was just looking at Justine's MacBook Air from 2012, and it was so funny seeing the comparison. So if you guys haven't, go watch her video. It's really great. I shot half of it. That's cool. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I don't have anything else to say. I'll see you later. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you again. I'll see you later, guys. It's so little, it's so small.